Hi guys, it's me again. Inktober is what I'm working on. Today is what is this? The 11th of October, and I'm going to do the prompt called Future. And no point in showing you step outs or anything because there isn't any. And so I thought to myself, what does future... And I immediately, the first thing I thought of was like a crystal ball. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a crystal ball future thing. I want a nice round bit here though. So I'm going to use my compass. And I want it a little bit higher, a little bit wider. Is that big enough? No, not quite. Let's go a little bit bigger. There we go. A little off center, that's fine. Crystal balls and snow globes, similar, right? So I am going to go with going to draw it out with pencil. You guys might be able to see it. Oh, you can. Look at there. You can see what I'm doing. I can't see much from what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm going to do another one. I don't like that. That looks good. And I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw the globe part with my white pen. I think I want to make this look like it's sitting in something like that more. Something like that. I think like that. Okay. Well, I'm going to draw with white. None of us knows what the future will hold. You can make plans, but I made plans for the rest of this month and that didn't work out. So I had to zig when I wanted to zag. Go with silver. I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference between the silver and the white. Probably not. No, really can't tell the difference. That's okay. Our best friends got their house and they have now moved in. We've helped them as much as we could to get the house prepared before they moved. They had some very ambitious projects they wanted to do. Did they finish? No. Did I think they would finish? No. Did they get further than I thought they would? Absolutely. So there are still many projects to complete. Hopefully they'll have most of them completed before Christmas. They are really big projects, let me tell you. Basically, painting the entire house, upstairs and down, removing the downstairs flooring, which that was done on the first day they owned the house. Second day maybe, first day. The husband just tore down, opened up the wall that he wanted to get rid of between the front living space and the back living space. He wanted to make it one big open concept. I don't want to say living room and dining room or living room and family room because I'm not too sure what those spaces were. Oh goodness, I smudged because it was still wet. But that's okay. You know what? I think I like that look. I think I'm gonna put it nice and juicy right here, and then I'm gonna come with my of course, when I want it to smudge, does it smudge? No, no, it does not. Really juicy. I want really juicy. And then I want it to smudge. There we go. Yeah, so they got the flooring up. They don't have the new flooring in yet, but that's okay. They're moving into a much larger home than where they came from, so they can just live in one room, get the flooring done in that room, and then move everything over to the other room, and then get the flooring in the next room. You know what I mean. You know, kind of hopscotch. So they'll put all the living room furniture in this room, do the flooring in that room, move all the living room furniture into that room, do the flooring in this room, and so forth. Got all of the living room, family room, kitchen painted. Basically we got all of downstairs painted and most of upstairs painted. We did not get to the master bedroom, or the master bathroom, or really any of the bathrooms. Bathrooms didn't get done, but lots got done. All things considered, in 3 weeks. That was a lot to try to get done. Okay, I'm going to use colored pencil around here. Make it sort of glowy. And a little highlight right there. And maybe this is representing something happening in the future, but I don't know what because I can't see it. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Nobody can predict the future. We don't know what's going to happen. All we can do is hope that, things go well. And all we can do is control our own selves and our own actions. Which is why I always say, do something nice for someone today, because it's the only thing we can really control is ourselves. There we go. There's my Inktober for today. Super simple. Like I say, we don't know what the future holds. For my friends, this is a new adventure for them to buy their own home. And, it took a long time and a lot of searching and a lot of soul searching and wrestling with, can we really afford this? What are we doing? And nobody knows the future. We really just don't know. You just have to hope for the best and trust God that He's got your back. And that's what we're doing. That's what we're all doing. And I will see you on the next video. You guys go out and have a good day. Do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place. And I will see you on the next video on Wednesday. Bye-bye.